Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a cash gift to your Throne wish list. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Throne. Sign into your account and you will be redirected to your wishlist page. To add a cash gift, click on Add Gift in the top right corner, then select Add Cash Gift. Here you can customize the details. Enter a name, set the price, upload an image, and choose a color. You can also add a description if needed. Next, set the quantity. If you want 15 people to donate, adjust the quantity accordingly. Once done, click Add to Wishlist. Your cash gift will be added, and when someone donates, the funds will appear in your balance. To withdraw your balance, click on it and transfer the funds to Stripe. So that's basically how you can add a cash gift to your Throne wishlist. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.